Jakarta Composite Index dropped 0.9% due to investors brace for the Federal Reserve's latest meeting minutes and more insight on the central bank's future hiking agenda. Recent comments from the Fed officials have stoked fears of even tighter monetary policy going forward. Last week, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said he advocated for a 50 basis point increase. Traders also saw a 76% chance of the Fed raising rates by 50 basis points in March. Though sentiment had a lot of impact on the movement of technology sector today. The technology sector fell by 2.58% due to rising interest rates because there were still many technology companies that relied on external funding. The technology sector is also volatile because follow Nasdaq stock market in America and also the layoff of the technology industry. Weir Asia dropped 1.8%, Goto was down 3.1%, DCII slipped 1.66%, and MTech dipped 2%. Rupiah also down 0.11% to 15,201 as traders were await the minutes from the latest Federal Reserve meeting as data on core inflation has raised the risk of interest rates remaining higher for longer. Now let's take a look to commodity prices. Spot gold rose 0.14%. Meanwhile, WTI crude oil was down 0.48% and Brent crude oil dipped 0.4%. It was due to Russia planning to cut crude oil production by 500,000 barrels per day, or about 5% of its output in March after the West imposed price caps on Russian oil and oil products over the invasion of Ukraine. Now let's move on to the top losers and top gainers of the day. The top losers were Gaya Abadi Sempurna, Rukun Raharja, and Cakra Buana Resources. On the other hand, the top gainers were Harta Dinata Abadi, Fortune Mate Indonesia, and Hadzer Medical Indonesia. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,826 until 6,932. Meanwhile, Rupiah predicted in the range of 15,100 until 15,250.